Assalamualaikum and greetings to the honorable judges and everyone. This is our innovation video, which is about portable CNC welding machine prototype for Gmaw gas metal arc welding process as a teaching aid. For the group members, myself Muhammad Haziq Naim bin Makno as the leader developer,
Muhammad Helmi bin Azman as second developer.
My name is Syed Harishah bin Syed Juharishah as a third developer for this project.
and lastly, our supervisor, Prof. Madya TS Dr. Lai Chisel. As an introduction, this prototype aims to improve welding education, creating portability, user-friendly, safety and functionality machine, and also to increase students' understanding of welding principle. This prototype was developed due to lack of portability, high maintenance costs and downtime, and also ineffective welding training.
For the next part is Fisher's objective. For the first one, to design a portable CNC welding machine for Gmaw gas metal arc welding to serve as an Abbm, which is teaching aid. Second, to develop a prototype of this portable CNC welding machine based on the specific design for Gmaw. The last one is to evaluate the quality of the prototype as a teaching aid in terms of design suitability, development effectiveness and usability. Next, for the commercial potential. Firstly, the potential users are TVET institutions, skills training academies and college. Secondly, it provides better welding training, which produce better graduates with higher employability. Finally, it also helps to reduce accidents and minimize equipment damage during the early stage of welding training.
So now we're moving on to the methodology part. The Abbm model consists of 5 key phases, which are analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. So next, I will explain the use and authenticity of this project. First, this system is developed as an educational tool, specifically as a teaching aid for TVET institutions. So second, it provides a safe learning experience. And finally, this project is also cost effective.
This is the parts and component for the prototype. This is the circuit diagram for the CNC Gmaw welding machine prototype. These are software and application that have been used in this prototype. These are two of the G-code example for the prototype running process. Next, we will show the demonstration of the prototype. Connect to the laptop or tablet. Open Prontoface software to run the hardware. Connect the software to the prototype. Y-axis movement. X-axis movement. And Z-axis movement. Set the homing and torch distance from the workpiece. Insert G-code files in the software. Test the G-code until it runs correctly. Welding will on when servo hit the button. Welding will off when servo retract from button. Run the process. These are the welding results. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.